In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize forms in your Marketing Hub. Whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your form building skills, this video will guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in by heading over to your Marketing Hub. Once you're logged in, you'll find a range of options, but today, we'll focus on the Forms section. Simply navigate to Marketing, then click on Forms. Here, you'll have the option to either create a new form or edit an existing one, depending on your needs. If you're starting fresh, creating a new form is the way to go. Otherwise, editing can help refine what you've already crafted. Once you're in the form editor, this is where the real customization magic happens. You'll notice the flexibility to add new steps to your form. These steps act as sections or pages within your form, helping you create a smooth and understandable journey for your users. As you work, remember that you can also remove any step that doesn't serve your form's purpose. If things aren't quite flowing as you would like, you have the freedom to rearrange the steps, ensuring the sequence aligns perfectly with the user experience you envision. Now, let's talk about configuring fields within each of these steps. Here, you decide what information is essential to collect from your audience. Make sure to think through what data you truly need, as this will help improve your form completion rate by keeping things as concise as possible. You can drag and drop fields where needed, ensuring that the form is as user-friendly as possible. In addition to configuring fields, there's a helpful feature that you can enable: the progress bar. This feature is particularly useful in multi-step forms. By enabling it, you provide users with a visual indicator of how far along they are in the process. This can be especially motivating, reducing form abandonment as users can see they're making progress. Of course, if you prefer a more straightforward experience without any additional guidance, you have the option to disable this feature. By following these steps, you can create forms that are not just functional, but tailored specifically to your marketing goals. Each adjustment you make, whether it's adding a step or configuring a field, contributes to a form that reflects your brand and meets your needs. Don't forget to hit save as you work, ensuring that none of your adjustments get lost. And there you have it, a quick, detailed guide to accessing and customizing forms in your Marketing Hub. Try it out and see how these tips can enhance the way you gather information and engage with your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your marketing efforts.